Do you want to become a profitable trader? Hi, I am CA Rudramurthy, author, trader, and trainer. Welcome you to Easy Money Show. Yesterday, the inflation data is definitely way beyond the expected level. RBI wants the inflation number to be closer to 4% and they can only have a plus or minus band of about 2% as per the expectation, and everyone yesterday expected the inflation levels to be somewhere closer to 5%, but what the actual number came was May CPI inflation came at 6.3%. Yes, the number is 6.3%, way beyond anyone's expectation. In fact, it was higher close to 1% than anyone in the street was expecting, where inflation they thought will be somewhere around 5.3 5.4%, but the number came at a shocking 6.3%. Now the question comes, what will happen because of higher inflation? Very simple. The RBI accommodative stand, which is there for a long time now, might become normal. Also, whenever RBI sees inflation going up too high, it will also ensure it will tighten its monetary policy and by chance forget rate cut if there is any rate hike, in order to ensure they control the inflation that will result in negative news to equity market. Now forget India's inflation of CPI. If you look at even our WPI inflation, which is close to 13%, it is definitely very high. Let me tell you, the reasons for this high inflation is not just lockdown, because core inflation, which is excluding this fuel and food component, that itself is at a very high level, and that is signaling to me that inflation hike is not because of lockdown and not just because of food prices going up, fuel prices going up. Basically, there is definitely the undertone rise in prices which is happening because of easy monetary policy and lot of money printing. Let me tell you, this cannot be taken as anywhere close to positive news, and this is not a slight negative but a strong negative when it comes to inflation data. Even in America, we have the Fed meet, which will take a call on the inflation, and in America the inflation number came at 5%, which has been the highest from 2008 levels. So also a lot of commentary which came later saying that this is transitory and this is temporary, all that. I don't believe this can be transitory or temporary, and not just in US, not just in India, everywhere where the central banks took a easy monetary policy towards the coronavirus and the downturn what we saw in economic activity, those repercussions are definitely found now. It is not today, it is not yesterday, close to a week's time now, I've been calling that you have to be more in cash, more in quality stocks, less in leverage, and wait for the right opportunity, because market is highly overrated. And you have seen even all the dog and cat kind of stocks just moving up without any reason and no backing of fundamentals. Especially in mid and small cap, people have to be in the right stock, and this is not the time to take high leverage. So stay light on positions. I'm sure the entire inflation data both in India, US, and in other parts of this globe is not a soothing data. And once you start seeing some amount of sell off, yesterday even in that huge recovery which market saw, FIIs were still sellers. Let me tell you, all this data to me points out that this is a highly overrated market, and I have not been telling this before. If you see, just in last 1 week or in few trading sessions, 3 4 trading sessions, I've been warning people and I've been telling you to stay light. not giving even stock recommendation, because this for me is a cautious moment, especially on the long side. I stand every right to go wrong and market is always supreme, but I want to give my clear views on market to you guys in Easy Money Show. Opportunity will come, patience is warranted, and let us watch what markets will do next. Even yesterday, Bank Nifty underperformed hugely, and that underperformance can continue for some more days. With this, let me end my today's Easy Money Show, wishing you all a profitable trading day. Thank you for watching. Signing off, Rudramurthy.